In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Copilot in Outlook. Before we jump into the steps, there's one important thing to understand. Copilot in Outlook is a premium Microsoft AI feature, and it usually only appears if your account has a qualifying Microsoft 365 subscription. Because of that, if you don't see the Copilot setting at all, that doesn't necessarily mean something is wrong. In many cases, it simply means your current subscription doesn't include access to this feature, so the option won't appear in Outlook's settings. With that in mind, go ahead and open Outlook. Once you're on the main Outlook screen, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window. You'll see the gear icon there, which opens the settings menu. Click that gear icon to continue. After the settings panel opens, look toward the left side where the different settings categories are listed. You want to find the Copilot section. Once you see it, click on Copilot to open those specific options. Inside that area, you should see a toggle for Copilot if the feature is available on your account. If the toggle is currently turned on, simply switch it off. That will disable Copilot in Outlook. And that's it. Once the toggle is off, Copilot should no longer be active in your Outlook experience. If you're following along and you can't find the Copilot section, the most likely reason is that your Microsoft 365 plan doesn't support it, or the feature hasn't been made available on your account yet. So in that case, there may be nothing you need to disable, because Copilot isn't active for that profile in the first place. A quick tip here is to make sure you're checking the correct Outlook account if you use more than one. Settings and feature availability can vary depending on which Microsoft account or work account is signed in. So, if needed, confirm you're in the right account before looking for the setting. This is a very simple process once you know where the option is located. Open Outlook, click the gear icon in the top right, select Copilot from the left side settings menu, and turn the toggle off if it's enabled. That's all you need to do to turn off Copilot in Outlook.